Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we're going to see different kinds of sketch tools. So now we are seeing offset option. Once you click the offset, you can see the dimension. You can give an input and you can select the offset sketch, whether it is inside or outside of the sketch. Next one is mirror sketch. To create a mirror sketch, we need to create a center line. With the center line we can create a mirror. Select the mirror option and select the sketch entities. Using the center line we can mirror the object. So next one is patterning. So we are going to see linear pattern and circular pattern. So using this option we can pattern on both the direction in x-axis and y-axis. So using this dimension you can create the pattern distance. Using this instant skip option, you can skip the points, whichever the points you do not need in the patterning. So next one is circular pattern. To create a circular sketch pattern, we need center point or origin point. So here also the same instant skip option we can use to skip the sketch. So next we're going to see move, copy, rotate and scaling options. To delete a sketch, select the sketch entities and use delete option to delete, or right click and select delete option to delete the sketch. So whenever you create a sketch, make sure the sketch is fully defined. Select the move option and select the sketch, and using the center point or the point of parameter to move the sketch. So next one is copy option. Select the sketch and select the parameter point to copy the sketch. So next one is rotate option. For rotate the sketch, select a center point or origin point and select the sketch to move according to the angle you need. So next one is scaling option. Select the sketch and use the scale ratio to change the sketch size. So next one is add relation. To add sketch with relations with horizontal or vertical points, or we can make the sketch with center point coinciding. So this option helps your sketch to make fully defined. So whenever you create a sketch, make sure give the dimension and make the sketch fully defined. Please do subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.